thought that, see, I asked Vivek a question about the violence, about these very, very dramatic images, and not a word condemning violence. Why would you do that, Vivek? Because, see, the NCRB data, it reveals how the highest number of political murders, Chetan, was witnessed under the left rule in 2009, when there were 50 murders, followed by 2000, by 2010, 2011, when there were 38 political murders. 38 political murders, Chetan. So what are we not condoning here? Anirban, why are you looking so worried? I haven't even asked you a question yet, Anirban, but Chetan.
Look, Deepthi, we have always seen that Bengal is one of the most political aware state. Bengal has been the capital of this country. We know that. And we have seen what exactly has overturned. It was so very convenient for Priyanka to say that who has taught violence to whom. You know, she is saying that as if this baton was passed by CPM by to TMC. But this is not the real, issue. We have seen in 2019 in Lok Sabha general election how the journey from 3 to 18. 3-2 journey, how many deaths have taken place. We have seen that. We have seen the violence. We have seen the Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar statue, which was defaced.
Now you're confusing me. You are confusing me. I just want to tell you, just tell me whose side are you on, and then Rakhi can also come in.
I am at a side of Mahatma Gandhi, what Mahatma Gandhi has said. I am on a side that to win election,
do not talk about Mahatma Gandhi.
Rakhi, no, he doesn't have an answer. He doesn't have an answer. He thinks he's going to get caught.
No.
Yeah,
the safest answer.
He doesn't have an answer. Let me ask, Vivek. Vivek has already given his answer to the viewers. Vivek has already given his answer when he said,
Mamata Banerjee categorically said that the money bag has been used. The money bag has been used to buy MPs, to buy MLAs.
Chetan, otherwise you speak for the Congress. Today you are speaking for Mamata Banerjee. Are you forgetting what happened during the Panchayat elections? I mean, come on. I know, I've seen those images playing out on national television.
Are we saying bye-bye to democracy?
No, what is this? What is this? I don't understand. You're not letting Rakhi complete her point. Rakhi first and then Anirban. Rakhi.
Let me come in. Vivek.
Yes.
Vivek has already given the viewers their answer when he said that when people were asking where is the Congress, where is the CPM, so to stay in power, to stay in relevance, they have used this boy. Why am I saying? Moidul Islam's sister. She has said that my brother did not belong to any political party. That means what? He was used by them. He did not belong to DYFI or SFI.
It's a big charge. It's a big charge, Rakhi, you're leveling. And I want Vivek to come in before Anirban takes the floor.
Charge.
Vivek, Rakhi is making a big allegation against you.
Level whatever you
All
want.
this is staged managed, Vivek.
You can level whatever charges you want, Rakhi.
No. It's his sister who has said it. Where did you people go to the police?
Say whatever she wants.
Did you people go to the police when he was hospitalized?
Just, maybe give him.
Did you go? Do not play that communist dirty game of bloodshed. You communists, you have always played this game of bloodshed all over Bengal. We have not forgotten. We have not forgotten Mori Chabi. We have not forgotten the Saibari incident. Bengal will never forget it.
We have also lost
You do not. Otherwise, you would not have fed a mother rice soaked in the blood of her son. Do not say that you believe. You believe only in bloodshed. Okay? You fed a mother. You
absolutely
Vivek, listen.
The electoral
we
politics.
Know what had happened in Saibari.
In Bengal for a long time. Tripura,
electoral politics.
Years, Manipur,
feeding
so
a mother.
Kerala,
feeding a mother.
Recently, we had a very good show in
Bihar. In the blood of a son, it's politics. What are you saying?
We believe in elections. We believe in the constitution.
Do not sit there and lie. Bengal remembers what you have done.
Teach us that we do not believe in the democracy of the nation.
We know he was not a part. He was not a part of your party. So do not lie. You people used him as a collateral damage.
35 years plus, the people of Bengal.
Do not talk about that movement. Today the topic is Moidul Islam.
35 years.
Nobody loves you. You were thrown out. You are not in relevance anymore. You are not in relevance anymore. Your minority vote has depleted.
Congress will come back in Bengal.
Your minority vote has
The communal
depleted in
politics that you are
2019,
doing over
and that
there,
is the reason
which
you
the
have
BJP
used
and
Moidul
TMC are
Islam.
doing,
Do
the
not
Hindu
lie.
versus the Muslim,
Do not
the
lie.
Jai Shri Ram versus
Your
Allahu
vote has
Akbar. We
depleted
do
that
not
to the
believe in it.
minority vote. In
Marxism
2019,
means
the question is not
no
Jai Shri
religion
Ram.
in
The
social
question
life.
is you have used
And that is
Moidul
what we
Islam
want Bengal to be.
to stay in relevance. That is
Absolutely
the
not.
summary of the story.
Let me
Do
tell
not
you.
lie.
Let me tell you one thing.
You have used
Marxism
him.
says
He did not
no
belong
use
to
of
your
religion
party.
in social
Now
life.
tell me, 1 minute.
So whatever
1 minute,
the BJP
1 minute.
is doing,
Tell me
whatever the Trinamool
where is
Congress
Deepak
tries to do,
Panja?
if
Where
you
is
drag in
Deepak
religion
Panja of
into the
Panchkula?
politics, we fight with you.
Where is Deepak Panja?
I'll
Do
tell
you
what.
know where
See,
he
you're
is?
not clear
He
and
went
you're
for your
confused.
rally. Do you know where he is?
You are very confused.
Please tell us.
I'll tell you what.
You are
very
confused. You are
You're
trying
very
to confuse
confused.
us. We are
You're
not
very
confused. Bengal knows.
Let me
Bengal
sort it out
knows
for
the
you.
communists
You are
very well.
confusing
And
because
you are
do
not
know
coming back.
Marxism.